Hi, this is Dave Johnston here on Thursday, July the 31st, 2014. I have a resting order in there, as you can see. This is in the emini S&P. I'm looking to get long right here at 1948.25. We had just had a short trade. Okay, we just got filled. So what I want to do here, you can see right here that the market dipped right on this bar right here to 47.25. Which is just a point below where we entered. So I am going to put a sell stop in 2 ticks below that. So I'm going to put a sell stop in here at 46.75. So I have a 6-tick risk on this trade. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a limit order in here to sell to. On this one, I'm going to put it at a 1-point gain right in here at 49.25. We are currently long from 48.25, and this is a very modest. Okay, got filled on that right away, so that's good. I'm going to leave this stop. I need to adjust the number here down to 2 from 4, obviously, because we only have 2 contracts left. But I think the kind of rejection that we've had off of the low, even though the market has been very bearish overnight and even early today, I think just in the past 20 minutes or so after this market came down here. Let me just, you can see it came down here after making this early low and then gyrated a bit, made a new high, and then came down, made a new low. And when it made the new low, it did so with this selling magenta bar. And did stay down in this area, but it has been rejected, at least in my opinion. And we have this blue bar right here, which is a level 3 buying, the strongest aggressive buying that you can have in our software, as opposed to the magenta bar here, which is the strongest aggressive selling that you can have. So I think that the kind of rejection we've had off of the low is pretty good. We also have an area in here of potential support down in the 47 area. Although another key area that we've been monitoring is the 49 area. So I'm going to adjust my stop. Now we just made 1 point on that, so I'm going to adjust this to break even. I'm not break even, but a net break even. In other words, I'm going to risk 1 point on this second half of this position. Should we get stopped out on that, trade would be a net break even because we've made 1 point on the first half of the position. So we've got 2 contracts running here, it's likely to have a bit of a stall in this area because, as you can see, we did have a good wave of selling that commenced right here with this level 2 selling bar, which is this red bar right here, which is the second strongest aggression in selling that our software shows, the magenta being the strongest. And here's a light red or pink, and that's the weakest of the aggression selling bars. From the buy side, I have cyan here as level 1, or the weakest aggression buying. The green here is level 2. So the second most aggressive, and the most aggressive buying is the blue bar right here. So that's really how our software works. You can also see, by the way, that we've got what we call a high velocity move right here, which is identified with this rectangular black area right in here, dark area. So these are often very good indications of good movement in the market that can start and be the beginning of a nice intraday move. And so obviously we've got some good buying off the low here. Now it's just a question really to see, does it have the strength or not to get above the high of this bar? And obviously we have not yet been able to do that. But we do have, of course, the rejection off of this low here, the low being this very early low that was tested. So that's kind of where we're sitting right now, and hopefully we can get a bit of a bounce after this pullback and have a nice profit on this second half of the position. I think what I will do, though, is put this recording on pause while the market's trading. Don't want to make the video too long, so I'll just pause it right now, and I'll start it back up when needed. Okay, we just got stopped at break even on this little dip right in here. So only made profits on 1 half of the position there, just 1 point. But the trade was nice. It moved in our favor right away. So can't complain about that. And We knew that there was some weight on the market, and that's why we're relatively modest in our expectations there, but quick to get to break even, and of course on that trade at least being able to make a little bit of profit too. So if you do have any questions or comments, just get a hold of us right here. Here's our email up here, info@daytradethemarkets.com. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.